Hi, I'm Alison and I'm a counsellor and couples therapist. I'm a member of Counselling Directory and founder of Alison Tinsley Counselling Services. I'm based in North Lincolnshire but practice online via Zoom. I'm here today to talk briefly about affairs and how counselling can be helpful to those involved. So what exactly is an affair? From my experience as a relationship counsellor, I find people have varied definitions of what constitutes an affair. For some, an affair means engaging in sexual activity with someone outside their partnership or marriage. For others, it could be about being emotionally engaged or attached to someone other than their partner. Having a virtual affair could include sexting, texting, or engaging in internet involvement with the third, fourth or fifth parties. But what's really important are the individual's perception of what the betrayal is about and what it means to them. And this can actually affect the mental health of those involved. And whilst it can appear glamorous, excitingly dangerous even, the mental health of all involved can be adversely affected. Overwhelming guilt can lead to high levels of anxiety by the person having the affair. And even if guilt isn't present, being secretive can induce stress and anxiety symptoms of irritation, hyperactivity and physical symptoms such as raised blood pressure and gastric problems. The injured party may begin to feel anxious if suspicions are aroused and become paranoid. And once the affair is exposed, depression can hit both sides. One can feel huge loss at the end of their arrangement, whilst the other is thrown into chaos as their world is turned upside down. Anxiety about the couple relationship's ability to survive what has happened is common, and arguments can increase, leading to further tension and uncertainty. So how can a therapist help? A therapist can help by providing a safe space where couples can be reassured they are not going crazy and there can be hope for their relationship's future. Therapists can help normalise their distressed clients' feelings and reassure them that it is possible to adopt some techniques to manage and then move on from the current chaos and despondency. Some clients wish their therapist had a magic wand, which I do have, but sadly doesn't work. So here are some ways a therapist might work with a couple where an affair has occurred. Firstly, coping with the crisis that the disclosure of the affair has brought. We need to help clients to understand that neither stance is right or wrong, but both are necessary if the couple are going to be able to reconstruct a working relationship. The work requires questions and honest answers from both partners. My experience is that it is more damaging to the relationship's reconstruction if further details leak out spasmodically or are discovered by the spouse after the whole truth has apparently been told. Although this may not be the best option for all couples. Perhaps a good analogy is this: even when a few pieces of a jigsaw are missing, you can still be confident of recognising what the big picture is. Secondly, once clients have become more accepting of what has happened, they can be encouraged to recognise that the affair is signalling that there are significant issues requiring attention in their relationship. Working with clients on those issues so that the marriage or relationship can learn from the affair and, if this is what both individuals desire, not only survive it, but thrive as a result. And thirdly, sometimes the work is around helping clients to recognise as individuals that the learning from the affair means they do decide to separate. Counselling can then help them avoid unknowingly repeating the behaviours which have brought their current relationship to breaking point. So, I do hope you found this information useful, and if you're ready to connect with a counsellor or would like more information about the counselling process, you can find me and other qualified professionals on the counselling directory, or you can contact me directly via email on alison@alisontinsley.co.uk. Thank you for listening. Take care. Goodbye.